Go! Stop lying, cat!
Fine. Look at the name tag.
And I still know it is mine!
Everyone step back.
This is my bag.
It is open.
Dresses are inside. I sat in the airplane for 10 hours. My back hurts. My paws hurt. I just want to go home. I want to sleep in my warm bed. But first, I need my bag. Where is my suitcase? I am waiting and waiting. I see a red bag. That is not mine. I see a green bag. That is not mine either. I need my dark blue suitcase. Please come out, blue suitcase. I cannot wait much longer. Wait! Look! There it is! I see a dark blue bag. It looks exactly like my bag. Finally, I can go home. I got you.
Excuse me, miss. Please let go. That is my bag.
What? No! This is my bag. I saw it first. Let go of the handle.
I will not let go. You let go.
Do not growl at me. I am taking my luggage.
Oh my. Look at them!
They are fighting over a bag.
Listen to me, cat. I am a very important businessman. I have an important meeting today. I do not have time for this.
I do not care about your meeting. I am very tired.
Give me my suitcase.
I want to go home to sleep. This blue suitcase belongs to me.
You are making a mistake. Look at the color. It is dark navy blue. My bag is dark navy blue.
My bag is dark navy blue too. That does not prove anything. My bag has 4 black wheels.
Most suitcases have 4 wheels. You are being ridiculous.
I am not ridiculous. You are a luggage thief.
How dare you? I am not a thief.
Look at the silver zipper. My bag has a silver zipper.
My bag has a silver zipper too. You are just making excuses. Let go now, Mr. Dog.
Never! Look right here on the corner. Do you see this scratch?
I made this scratch last week.
I made that scratch on my last trip. It hit a wall.
Stop lying, cat!
Fine. Look at the name tag. The name tag will show the truth.
Good idea. Read the tag.
No.
What happened to it? The tag is all wet. The ink is completely smudged. I cannot read the letters.
I cannot read the name either. It is just a black blur.
But I still know it is mine.
And I still know it is mine. I am not giving up.
Stop right there. Everyone step back. What is the problem here? This is an airport terminal. We do not fight.
Officer Bear, please help me. This grumpy dog is trying to steal my luggage.
Officer, she is lying. This crazy cat is trying to steal my luggage.
Okay. Everybody calm down. Take a deep breath. Let go of the suitcase. Both of you. Now step back. I am the security officer.
I will solve this mystery. We will do a strict investigation.
Thank you, officer. Please arrest him.
You will be sorry.
Quiet. Let me look at the bag. It is a dark blue bag.
4 wheels. Silver zipper. The name tag is ruined by water.
Sir, let me ask you a question.
Ask me anything, officer.
What exactly is inside this bag?
My business clothes.
And I have a big bag of bone-shaped dog treats. I have 3 white shirts. I have 2 black ties. Okay, very specific. Now you, miss. What is inside this bag?
My vacation clothes. I have 2 pretty pink dresses. I have my favorite fluffy blanket. And 3 stuffed mouse toys with catnip.
I see. These items are very different. White shirts versus pink dresses. We have an easy solution. We will open the suitcase. The truth is inside.
Yes! Open it! You will see my pink dresses!
That is a great idea. Open it up, officer. Wait a minute. There is a problem. This bag has a combination lock.
It needs a secret 3-number code. I cannot open it. Only the true owner knows the code.
Who wants to open it first?
Ladies first, officer. Let the cat try. She does not know the code. She will look very silly.
I will not look silly. This is my bag. I know my own secret code. It is 1, 2, 3. It is a very easy code. Watch and learn, Mr. Grumpy Dog. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, I just push the button. That is strange. The lock did not open.
Ha! I knew it. You are a fake.
Wait. My paw was slippery. I must have rolled the wrong number. Let me try one more time. Okay. Roll to 1. Roll to 2. Roll to 3. Open. Oh no! Why is it not opening? This is impossible! 1, 2, 3 is my code. The lock must be broken.
Miss, please step back. The lock is not broken. It is simply not your code.
Sir, it is your turn.
Thank you, officer. My lucky code is 888. 8 for wealth. 8 for success. 8. 8. 8. See? It is open.
Oh my goodness! It opened for him! Those are white shirts. Those are not my pink dresses.
Exactly. As I said, this is my suitcase.
I am so embarrassed. I am so sorry. I made a terrible mistake. I was just so tired from my flight. I only looked at the blue color. I did not check carefully.
It happens sometimes, miss. Travel makes everyone exhausted. But wait! Look over there! The carousel is still moving.
Look! Another blue bag. That must be my real bag. Look at this name tag. It has a clear plastic cover. It is not wet. It says Sarah the cat. It opened. My pink dresses are inside. This is my real luggage. Mr. Bulldog, I am truly sorry. I was very rude to you. I yelled at you. I even hissed at you. Please forgive me.
It is all right, Sarah. Long flights make everyone grumpy. I am sorry I barked at you too. I accept your apology.
See? That is much better. A little patience goes a long way.
Thank you, Officer Bear. I learned a very big lesson today. Color and wheels are not enough. Before I take a bag, I must always check the name tag first. Reading the tag stops all the misunderstandings.
That is exactly right. Now I must run to my meeting.
Goodbye, officer.
Goodbye. Have a good meeting.